In summer, one animal dominates these plains: caribou. You might know them as reindeer. They're nomads, following the retreating snowmelt, sometimes for 1,000 miles, the longest land migration in the world. This little male is only 3 weeks old, but he can already run faster than an Olympic sprinter. It's easy to lose track of whose mom is whose. Anyone who can't keep up with the herd will be left behind. But their unique calls and scent usually mean they can find each other. Come wintertime, he will be independent. But until then, Mom is his whole world, whether she likes it or not. These rivers are deeper and faster than ever before, and the feeding grounds lie on the other side. This crossing is more than a young calf is ready for, but survival depends on it. The current takes them by surprise, sweeping him off his feet. This mother now has a tough choice to make.